Who's that?
As I get run over by a car. It wasn't that bad. Here we go. Did you hear the 3-inch meter lit off?
Yeah, it was loud.
I'm gonna break low.
Ooh.
Bit low. They always break.
Get out from under the tree.
Yeah, so stuff could fall on their heads. That sounds fun.
Yeah. I got a fountain for the kids.
No.
Alright. Just a little fountain.
Just a little one. I feel like it's sarcasm.
Look at that.
I know.
That's fun. Like doing kickflips over there. You can't look down though. And you're doing over. Oh! Like it was on the news or something like that. It's supposed to legalize all that crap.
Hey.
A 4th of July isn't a 4th of July unless you're thinking you're in a war. That one flew a little low.
My dad always thinks
Out of the war.
They have a swimming
And
pool
trees.
back there, Paul.
Well, it's just right. So.
They have a swimming pool back there. Here, trees landing in it.
Grenade. I'm gonna throw that in there and just blow the hell. Let's keep it under the-
Back away.
2 inch. Wait, 1.75.
There we go. Going a little low.
Oh, only one way? Yeah.
That's nice and big. You are aware if this blows low, I'm ducking, right? Help in my dog.
Somebody from
You guys be quiet?
Oh, you hear that?
Here, what?
Same thing. As soon as they get married.
Yeah, it happens. What? Oh, I'm not sure. Looks like just a quick nick. Yep. So you coming over for the fork? Yeah, okay. Okay. Huh? Not that I know of. I think we're just kind of hanging out.